Slack plus Airtable automation makes sure your team never misses an update. Instead of refreshing Airtable to see who updated what, viaSocket instantly pushes record changes, new tasks, and project updates straight into your Slack. So, your team gets real-time updates right where you are already working together. It keeps everyone in sync, speeds up decision, and makes project updates way easier.
So, let's go ahead and build this automation together in viaSocket. First, search Airtable as your trigger app. From the events list, choose new record created. So whenever a new record is added in Airtable, this automation kicks in. You can also set the scheduling time as needed. Next, establish your connection with Airtable by clicking on Add New Connection. Select your resources, table base, and then grant the required access. If you already have an existing connection, simply pick that and continue. Now let's configure the trigger. Provide your table base, table name, and grid view. Before we test, let me quickly show you the demo data. I have just updated this table with some new lead information. Now, once it's ready, click Test. You'll see the responses right here. And if everything looks good, hit Create. With the trigger in place, let's move to the action part. Search for Slack as your action app. From the events list, select Send Message, which will allow us to push lead details directly into a Slack channel. Connect your Slack account. If you are not connected yet, just click Add New Connection to set it up. Once that's done, configure the action by mapping the required fields. Choose the Slack channel where you want to send the message, and then fill in the message content. Using the plus icon, map the key information you want to share with your team like lead name, contact number, company name, lead source, lead status, follow-up date, and lead value. Now, once you have mapped everything, test the action. If the responses look correct, click Add to save it. Now, head over to the selected Slack channel. You'll see the lead update message right here. This ensures your team never misses out a new lead. Finally, test the entire flow inside viaSocket. You can also check the flow history to confirm everything's running smoothly. When you are ready, click Go Live option. The flow will activate, and you'll see the description of your automation inside the description box. And that's it. That's how simple it is.
If you are ready to keep your team in sync without chasing updates, set up your Slack plus Airtable integration today with viaSocket. Just click the link in the description and start automating your workflows.